Hey everyone! Today, I've got an exciting review for you, diving into the Autel EV Diagnostics Upgrade Kit. If you're looking to take your Maxesis Ultra, Ultra ADAS, MS919, or MS909 to the next level in electric vehicle diagnostics, this kit is a game changer. The EVDiag box and adapters seamlessly integrate with your Maxesis tablet, transforming it into a pro-level EV scanner. With features like intelligent diagnostics, topology mapping, ECU coding, programming, and over 40 services, this upgrade equips you to tackle 99% of EV problems. One standout feature is the HV system diagnostics capability. Worried about getting useful repair information for HV systems? Fear not! The Autel EV Kit, in tandem with the Ultra series, allows you to diagnose HV systems and electric units just like any other passenger car system. You can read and erase DDCs, view battery component info, and analyze live data with a single click. Battery pack diagnostics are a breeze with this kit. Whether using OBD, adapters, or jumper cables, you can gather comprehensive battery pack information, SOC, SOH, voltage, current, temperature, and more. This is crucial for monitoring the battery's condition, health, and capacity, ensuring you catch potential issues before they escalate. What sets this kit apart is its extensive vehicle coverage, spanning 99% of US, European, and Asian vehicles from 1996 to 2023. Perfect for new energy diagnostics, it's especially effective for checking HV systems and battery packs in popular electric vehicles like BMW, Tesla, VW, Ford, Chevrolet, and more. The full package includes a range of adapters and connectors, eliminating the need for additional accessories. With 3 battery pack diagnostic methods and on-screen guidance, operations become seamless, making it a valuable tool for any repair business. In a nutshell, the Autel EV Diagnostics Upgrade Kit is a must-have for automotive professionals. It's a no-risk purchase with easy integration, providing the tools you need for thorough EV diagnostics. If you're serious about expanding your repair business into new energy vehicles, this kit is your ticket to staying ahead in the game. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.